Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to today's live Decoding BankNifty futures session. Today is Thursday, the weekly expiry for BankNifty. Today is the 15th of June 2023, and the current time is 9:02 a.m. IST. Okay, so let me just quickly share my screen, and we'll just quickly look at the bigger picture in terms of what is happening. So. We are still trading in this balance. So basically we are chopping around in this 200 point range. Nothing has changed yet, and overall we are in a 4-day balance, and the prime reason is because of the Fed interest rate decision which came out yesterday night. And the Fed has not they have not taken any decision. They've basically made the rates unchanged. So you can look at it in the it's the same. So they have not changed, or they have not raised the interest rate, or they have not reduced the interest rate. Okay, so they have not taken any action. So what has happened is a lot of bigger players they have hedged their positions, and that's why whenever the prices used to move higher, supply came in. Whenever the prices used to move lower, supply shuts off. So basically what they are doing is they are selling here, buying here, selling here. So that's why we are just wish washing. And as an option buyer, even though it's a low VIX environment, the premium erosion is less, but the stop loss will definitely be hit, because since last 3 days also my stop losses are also getting hit left, right and center. Okay, but overall the good news is, or the a very good news, I would say not a very good news, but we are still developing above the previous month's volume point of control. So that is around 44,000. This is also a psychological level, and 44,000 is this level where we do have some stops. And today what I'm looking for is particularly this balance, basically this range, to be broken out. I'm looking for a gap down opening and see if we get continuation or rejection. Yeah, so look below and fail, or do we, odds are less that we will be getting a gap up, and because from the inventory perspective, the inventory is flat since last 4 days, giving me hints that no new player is participating, no one is bringing in fresh money or new money. This is all old business. So first of all, the old business needs to be cleared. That's where the fresh money or the new money will be coming in, and that money is what I'm talking is from the trading money, not the investment money. Okay, so the time is 9:05. I think in next 2 minutes the pre-open data will be out, but inventory is flat. 44,234, 44,82 and 43,930. These are the three levels where I'm observing again the reaction, and we have got a lot of trapped shorts in this auction. So right from I think this is the May series, right? So in the entire if you see, this is where the May end. So May, we have got a lot of, so basically below the 44,000 mark is where a lot of trapped shorts are there. Today for me 44,000 is a swing level. There are a lot of stops, liquidity present, and if I just go to the smaller time frame chart, what I'm seeing is we saw supply yesterday shutting off around previous week's low. So this is where a lot of stops have been accumulated, and if we open gap down, so basically this liquidity level will be taken out. And if I zoom out a bit, what I'm seeing is more of trapped supply, or so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this entire range is where supply is trapped, or the sellers are trapped, and this is the range where buyers are trapped. So more sellers are the ones who are in the pain compared to the buyers. Okay, so sellers are trapped higher compared to the buyers, and plus we did form an all-time high. This is where the all-time high is, and for me, so I'll just let me zoom in again. Okay, So for me today, the important levels, which I'm looking from a smaller time frame is first of all the previous week's low, then 44,100 level, because that's where multiple times supply is shutting off. So there was a look below and failed trade, but my 2 point SL just kept on getting hit. So either I need to increase my stop loss from 2 to 5 or 10, or in order to stay longer in the trade. But because overall the look above and fail, look below and fail trades are happening, and in yesterday's auction we have got more trapped buyers. So there was no trapped seller. Yes, there is supply around the previous week's low which is trapped, so there are some shorts which are trapped here. And if I just go to the order flow chart, right, so these are the zones where the supply is trapped. We also have got a gap unfinished auction. So 44,000 we have trapped seller, below 4420 we have trapped seller, 4460 we have trapped seller. This is the range where there are unfinished auctions and a trapped seller. And at the moment where the future price closed, we have got again trapped sellers. Okay, so more of trapped supply, and they will be the one who will be looking to execute, or looking to exit the market. And if I just focus on the bank nifty, right, so what I've done is, this is a composite profile since the last 4 days. Okay, so overall I'm adding another area, that is value area high, value area low, where I'll be observing the reaction. And if you see the profile of yesterday, we have got a spike up, we have got a spike lower. This is nothing but plus we also have got open equal to high, yeah, in the future. So the entire trading activity happened within this zone, but 44,225, 44,089, 44,089 is actually at the level. 083 is the higher time frame level. 082 is the higher time frame level, right? So okay, I think the pre-open data is definitely out. Let me just quickly look at that and we'll see where so we are opening flat. I would say we are not opening gap down, we are opening around 44,054 levels, and 44,000 is the max pain area from the OI data. HDFC Bank is also opening 2 points up, so 1604. So if I look at HDFC, yeah, so we have got some trapped buyers around 1613, and I'm looking for a level. So 1600 is one level. So this is futures and this is spot. Let me see, is there any difference between 1611? Okay, so there is a difference. So let me just bring in the spot chart, so that way we will get some more clarity. Okay, so overall we did closed out of balance. This is where supply is trapped and shut off, and I'm looking for, so as the price is opening 1604, right, so I'm looking for responsive selling, because 1606 is where there are trapped buyers. Okay, so I'll also put the spot chart here instead of the futures chart, so that way, yeah, we'll have better clarity, better data. Okay, so as we are opening about 66 points up, so the close was at, so what am I looking at? So it is opening within the range, and there is a prominent point of control, that is 148. That's where I'm looking for a rejection. Okay, so what we have got is we have got some traps in stops here, and we also got some stops here. So I'm looking for rejection at the prominent point of control, or the point of control of yesterday. So what I'm expecting is, does it look above and continue lower, take the stops and see the stops, or see the supply getting cleared around or stopped around 4482 levels. Okay, so my trade plan is, first of all, I am looking at this level, and these two levels to be taken out. So first priority is what happens. I'll observe the reaction at the point of control, and then at the upper stops, and then at the lower stops. So the game plan is either the upper stops get taken out and then it continues lower, or the lower stops get taken out and continues higher. Because we have got some unfinished auctions, we have got trapped supply. So let me just zoom in. So as we are opening 60 points, right? So 125 plus 60, 175. Okay. So we are going to open around the area where there are trapped buyers. Okay. So they will be adding some supply. And so for me, this is where I'm looking for some bounce back. And also we also have got previous days VWAP at this level. Okay. So at the VWAP level, I'm observing whether we get a rejection, because this is where we have got a buyer, this is where we have got trapped sellers. So I'm looking for, as the market open, I'm looking for responsive selling, some reversal, and do we get continuation higher and tag the another zone where we have a trapped supply, or we get responsive selling, we continue lower, and do we clear this particular gap. Okay. Which is of unfinished auction. So those are the things, which I'm looking for, which I'm planning for. I'll just close this. Yeah, we still have a trapped supply. We have an HVN around 44073, and yeah, nothing much has changed. So 44073, 44089, this is where I'm looking for supply to shut off. And this is where I'm looking for supply to come in. Okay, so this is the composite range, and which I'll be observing. So the time is 9:14. If you have any questions, feel free to use the chat, or else yeah, we'll wait. So just note down the pre-open data in my journal. Time is 9:14. $44,054 plus 66 points. Okay, so the pre-opened inventory is long. So previous days VWAP, we also got trapped buyers. That's what I'm expecting, responsive selling. So yeah, let's see how the price reacts. Okay, so the auction is opened. We are seeing continuation lower stops have been taken out. We are seeing continuation lower. This is where I'm looking for supply to shut off, but still we are having continuation lower. If I look from the profile, the composite profile, we are heading towards the area where previously supply did shut off. So it took out the lower stops, and this is the gap which has been filled. Now I'm looking for continuation, because there is liquidity around 44,000 level, and right to the tick level is where the supply shut off, right? So 44,020 is where the supply shut off. Now 44,000 on spot is the max pain area. Okay, so I'm just so what has happened is we had PPOC rejection. Let me just hit refresh this chart, but I'm looking for continuation lower and clear the stops around 44,000 level. So we are having good supply coming in now. Let me just hit refresh. So that way I have the clock. Okay, so the auction is developing below the previous day's low. Good amount of selling is happening, and I'm looking for this to be taken out. So I have not yet taken any trades. Put my SL at 5. Before doing that, yeah, so we have got some trapped sellers. Okay, so continuation seen now. Yeah, so my put trade got, the SL got hit. Yep, again the put trade SL is getting hit because I'm looking for continuation lower. 2 trades taken. Again this SL is getting hit, so my SL is getting hit. So we stopped at the 44,000 level. Okay, I still want to, yeah, my algos are telling me to buy. Okay, so now I'm just trailing my SL. Okay, so recovered that loss. So I was looking for this liquidity to be cleared, and yeah, so still in a small loss, but yeah, entered at 222, exited at 232, and now I'm looking to see whether we have continuation because I want to have a, yeah, so this is also getting triggered. Supply is still definitely strong. But the structure is telling me something else. $47. Nope, it's not going above 247. This SL will be hit. Yep, it is hit. Okay, so I'll just wait and watch. But yeah, were a couple of morning trades which I have taken, and so we are seeing rejection. We have taken this particular swing low. This low is at 43,980. This is where I'm seeing some trapped supply, so that's why I was trying to take a long trade, but that's fine. Guess I have taken a put trade. Okay, so entered at 237, so my 2-point SL are still again getting hit. $239. Yep, this is also getting hit. Bought it at 235. Then so from the order flow, what we see is we got trapped sellers, trapped buyers. So pretty okay, at 246. Yep, got hit. 246 to 250. Just hit again, refresh. 5-point SL. Put premium is dropping faster compared to the call premium. So I'm still in a 1% loss. We still have got 20 minutes left. And let me just look at the chart now. So good selling is happening. We have got trapped shorts here. One more trap short here. And if I look at the OI data, yeah, so the supply is the one which is pretty active. 43,800 is the max pain area. My 2% loss now. Yeah, 523. So it has taken the swing level. HDFC Bank is rising. So what we have got is trapped buyers, trapped buyers. We saw rejection from previous day's VWAP. So I am still active in one trade. So let me just scroll this up. Okay, that SL got hit. 312 to 309. Still supply is pretty strong. And the reason why I'm buying calls is because there are trapped shorts. So what is happening is there is no continuation lower. Okay, so I'm just keeping a 5-point SL. If it gets hit, it gets hit. But I'm looking for a short covering move now, because if this goes lower, then we should have continuation, but it's not. So we have got trapped shorts or trapped supply. So this is part of one of my A plus setup. The supply is the one which is trapped. So my buy price is 310, right? So I'll keep it at my cost, 310, 39. I'll keep it one point SL, and I'm just now waiting and seeing whether we see continuation or whether we are just chopping around, because premium erosion is definitely happening. Keeping 2-point SL now. Okay, so I'll just remove this. Keep it at 3. Yep, now it got hit. So I'm looking for continuation lower, but it's not happening. So we are now just doing sideways. We are in a zone where supply has shut off. I'm again retesting, adding some calls, and premium erosion happened. Four. Yeah, I'm waiting for this SL to get hit. Yep, it is getting hit. So we have got trapped buyers. So this is that swing level the supply got shut off. So if this fails, then I'm looking for continuation lower, but nope, it's not. It's just developing here. Looks like I bought it at wrong price. I bought it at 181. Yep, it is getting, SL is getting hit. The put SL. So I bought a call at 300. It's now trading at 306. Keep it at my cost. So this is the zone where there are trapped sellers, and still we have got some trapped supply. I'll start trailing this, keep it at 305. Keep it at 30. Yeah, it is still at 305. This is at 309. Supply is definitely coming in, but I'm seeing responsive buying because once it dropped and it failed, that's where it added more confidence to buy a call. And also I was in a put trade, so what was happening is the put premium, not premium, but the put, it hit my SL. So the market generated information is telling me to take a long trade, because now as data is telling me that the sellers are the ones who are trapped. So now I'll start trailing my SL. I'll keep a 10-point SL. Nope, so it went to 321, keeping at 312. Keep it at 312. Let's see. Yep, now the SL got hit. So this was one good trade. It was sort of 2 minutes, 300 to 311. So overall what we see is good rejection from this balance. Okay, so this is that balance where we had a good rejection. We took out one level, and the second level, that's where some responsive buying is happening. Okay, so overall I'm still more than 2% loss. Taken a lot of trades today right at the open. So we have got trapped supply, good trapped shorts, and we have got some unfinished auctions. Okay, so I bought one more call, 313.65. SL is 308. Keep it at 309. Still got 8 minutes, so there will be some premium erosion, and yeah, this SL will be hit. Yeah, it is hitting now. So 313 to 308. Yes, now the calls are falling. And I got another level here where the supply will be shutting off, and some stops here. Okay, so I'm adding more call now, 308.4. I'm seeing more supply building up, more supply coming in. Let's see the SL gets hit or not. So, okay, no comments yet. Okay. But 305, 306. So my buy price is 308.4 and I've kept a 2-point SL, 306. I'll keep a 1-point SL, okay, 307. Now at my cost, 308. And the premiums are just falling. I'll keep it at 310. Because now I'm looking for some short covering move. Okay, so I'll just keep this at 310. Okay, I'll just be back. Okay, so that SL did got hit. So it got it at 310 exactly. Okay, so it's at 5 minutes. I'll wait for, because premium will be getting eroded now. And I'll just keep a 5-point SL again. So I'm looking at this premium and this premium. So put, there is nothing in put, but there is some premium in call. 303, you saw that, right? 303 to 308. Okay, so I bought it at 308. So I've kept a 2-point SL, 308 and 306 is my SL. This is gonna get hit. So I'll keep it at my cost now. So my buying price is 308.8. Keep it at 309. Let me keep it at cost 308. 9. 310. So premium erosion is happening, and yeah, so 3.8, 3.10, just 2 points is what I got. Now I'm seeing I'm gonna have some continuation higher. Okay, I entered at a wrong price, 313. and it got hit again. Okay, yeah, so this was a 5-point SL which got hit. That's fine. So what is happening is we are just hovering in a range, and the delta order flow is suggesting me that we are not breaking this level. So this is a support zone, immediate support zone. Okay, my buy price is 313.75. So 89 to 73. So this is about more than 10 points. Keep it 309, 4-point SL. Supply, okay, so here it is still, so it is not yet taken out this level. Here we are trying to reach it in the balance. In BankNifty we are already within the balance. So now it has given a good breakout. So I'm just keeping a 10-point SL. And I'm looking for some short covering. So supply is definitely coming in. Keep it at 3-1. Okay, so I'm looking for continuation now. $316. Nope, it's not. It's gonna hit my SL now. So this is where supply is coming in again. 317, 318. Keep it at 319, 320. Let's see now. So even the algo is telling me to buy 20, 321, 322, 323, 24, 25. Okay, and it got hit. So 313 to 326. So yeah, that was a good trade. I was there in it for about 2 minutes. So now what I'm seeing is this is where the supply is trapped. So this is where I'm looking for some rejection. Okay, so what I mean is that the price is going to develop, and as it comes lower, this is where you can add some call positions, because this is where the price will reverse and it will go higher and clear all these gaps. So let me just mark the levels. So this is a support zone, and then so we are in a support zone. 730. Yeah, so I'll just now wait and let me mark my levels again on the market profile chart. So this is where there is a stop, and this is where there is a stop. Okay, so I'm just removing all this other levels, because this is where I'm expecting some supply to come in. Okay, so we're just hovering in this zone. Okay, so here it was 334, now it is 330. And the reason, who's selling here is basically those who bought here, right? So you see this one in the green, right? So as the price is going to move low, above or up, this is the area where I'm looking for again some supply to reinitiate, because this is a previous week low, and again supply is definitely going to come in. So now who is selling is people who bought in this range, right? So in this green zone, they are the ones who are providing the supply. So if I look at the put premiums, yeah, put premiums and call premiums are more or less the same. Okay, so my expectation is continue higher, but there are trapped buyers here. They are the ones who are providing supply. We did broke the level, and this was, so we are at the 3-day low. This is the 3-day low. So what we saw is some sideways development around the 3-day low. Now it is trying to move higher. Okay, some good buying happening. Buying activity is happening. And I'll just mark my levels again in the order flow chart. Yeah, so failure to continue higher and continue lower, it means some adjustment is going on. Premium erosion will be happening. Okay, so we have got a lot of gaps or unfinished options, which I'm looking for it to get cleared. We have got trapped seller or trapped supply lower. So I'm looking for a short covering move. That's my trade plan. Okay, because at the moment we have got supply which is trapped. Okay, so this entire zone is where supply is trapped. Again, we have got supply trapped here. Send to back. So from the order flow, from the delta order flow, this is a support zone, and this is a major support zone. So as the price is moving lower, the call premiums have increased. So it was 234, now it is 242. So this is giving me a hint that, okay, now I'm looking, we will be having some short covering move. It is trying to bring in some supply. So now we are entering the support zone. Okay, I've not taken any trades yet. And the reason is because I have got trapped buyers here. So they are the ones who are trying to exit. And this is a psychological level, 44,000 level. And if I look at the OI data, right, so it is above, so it is at the support zone. So more odds are higher that we will be developing higher. But there is a supply present. So now I'll just wait and watch. So my trade plan is, as it is moving lower, this is the zone where I'm looking to add or looking to buy a call position and then exit at, this level. So from 70 to 20, that is about 50 point range is, so about 20 points in options is, what I'm looking at. Okay. Also mark this level. Okay, so we are just chopping now. So there's no trades yet. We are just chopping around. Call premiums are increasing. Now it is at 239. So I'll just bring it here. Yeah, so 43,700 CE. Okay, so just wait and watch. Pretty exhaustive expiry today. What is happening in Nifty? Nifty is positive now. Nifty is trading positive. VIX is at a very nice level at a 10, so you can invest a lot of, you can build your portfolio now. But yeah, overall, it's pretty flat. It's not big negative. Okay, so we are at a psychological level of 44,000. We looked below that level, and now we are just developing around that level or above that level. Okay, so I'm waiting for a short covering move, whereas in HDFC Bank it is heading to the zone where there will be supply coming in, and we have got some trapped buyers at this level. So previous days VWAP is where I'm looking for again for a good sell, and now you see here, right, it is just developing higher. Yeah, the 43,700 call is still at 244 level. Okay, so I still need to practice it with my when to enter, when to exit, how to trail my SL, what SL to keep, because this was a one good trade from 313 to now. I wouldn't know that it will go to 244, right? But you never know, So what I do is, if I get 10, for me 10 points is enough. So that's what I do. But yeah, so overall I'm still in a more than a 2% loss, 3% loss to be honest. If it is 775, then it was so 775 was, or 725 was a 3% loss. Yeah, we are at the 3% loss right now, and currently the funds available are 23 or 24,000, okay, for which I can trade. And a good thing is premiums are not eroding, so that's a good sign. So there's a short built up on both the ends. So this is one good feature, so where you can analyze. So both of the areas are getting short built up, whereas in the ITM puts there are long build up. Okay, so that is fine. Yeah, but I don't want to get confuse you more with more data. Okay, so yeah, thank you again. I hope you learned something new today, and how I execute and how I take the trades, and who is trapped, where are the trap buyers, where are the trap sellers, and yeah. Okay, so now we are seeing good short covering move happening. Okay, so that 43,700 is now trading at 254. Okay, so thank you again. I got to go to another meeting, but yeah, take care, have a safe day, and I'll see you